Hi, friends. I know we normally bounce back and forth between Junie B and Magic Treehouse, but we just have such a short amount of time left together. And I have two more Junie B. Jones books that I want to share with you before the end of the school year. So I am going to read to you next. Junie B. Jones has a peep in her pocket. And on the back, here's what it says. It says, "It's almost the end of the year, and Room 9 is taking a field trip to a farm. There's lots of fun farm stuff there, like a real actual barn and a real actual farmer. There's even live animals you can pet. Only where's the gift shop? That's what Junie B. Jones would like to know. Surely no one would want Junie B. to go home empty-handed." Chapter 1, Confusing Stuff. My name is Junie B. Jones. The B stands for Beatrix, but I don't like Beatrix. I just like B and that's all. I am almost 6 years old. Almost 6 is when you get to go to school. And so last summer, Mother took me to the school office and she rolled me in afternoon kindergarten. Rolled is the grown-up word for signed me up and made me go. Only guess what? I didn't even mind going there. Hardly, because I made two bestest friends at that place, that's why. Their names are Lucille and Grace. We are like three peas in a row. My teacher's name is Mrs. She has another name too, but I just like Mrs. and that's all. Only here is the trouble. Just when I was getting good at kindergarten, Mrs. made an announcement to our class and she said that pretty soon school is going to end. I did a gasp at that terrible news. No, Mrs. No, no, no. How can school end? Because Mother said I have to go to school till I'm an old teenager, and I am not even 6 years old yet. Mrs. Quick shaked her head. "Oh dear, I'm sorry, Junie B," she said. "I'm afraid that you've misunderstood me. School isn't going to end forever. School will just be taking a summer vacation." She smiled at me. "You and everyone in this class will come back to school in September. It's just that you won't be in room 9 anymore." I quick got out a paper and crayon. "Okie doke, then tell me the name of our new room," I said, "because I will need to tell Mother where to bring me." Mrs. did a little frown. "I'm sorry," she said again, "but right now I have no idea what room you'll be in next year." Now I did a frown too. So what am I supposed to do then? Just wander around the school until I find you people?" Mrs. looked funny at me. "You still don't understand," she said. "Next year, you're going to have a different teacher, Junie B. Next year, you're going to be in first." "First what?" I asked. "First grade," she said. Just then my stomach felt sickish inside, because I don't even like first graders, that's why. First graders are bullies to me at recess, and I don't want to be in the same room as those guys. Pretty soon a boy named William started to sniffle very much, because William hates first graders even more than me. That's because one time a first grader stole William's winter hat with the ear flaps and he put it on a dog that was running around the playground. And the dog runned away with William's ear flap hat forever. I patted William very nice. Me and William don't want to be in the same room as first graders," I told Mrs. "Me and William prefer children our own age." "Me too," said my bestest friend Lucille. "I prefer children my own age too." "Me too," hollered a boy named Polly Allen Puffer. "Me too," said a girl named Charlotte. Mrs. said, "Shh," to us. "Boys and girls, please. Now everyone is misunderstanding me," she said. "We need to get clear on this right now. Next year when you come back to school, you will not be in class with the children who are first graders this year. Next year, those children will move up to second grade, and you people will move to first. Understand?" I thought and thought about that. Then all of a sudden a light bulb came on in my head. "Oh, I get it now. All of the grades move up. Right, Mrs.? Everybody does." She clapped her hands. "Right, exactly," she said, very happy. "Now may I please get on with my announcement?" I brushed my skirt very smoothly. "Yes, you may," I said, real polite. "Okay," said Mrs. "As I started to tell you earlier, I have very happy news for room 9. Because this year, for the first time ever, we are going to go on a special end-of-the-year field trip." She smiled real big. "We're going to a farm. Doesn't that sound like fun?" "A farm! Shouted the children. A farm! A farm! We're going to a farm! Then Lucille hugged me very thrilled. A farm, she said real squealy in my ear. A farm, I said real glum, 'cause guess what? Farms are not my favorites. Uh-oh, I wonder why Junie B doesn't like the farm. We will read to find out tomorrow. Chapter 2 is called Stubby. Bye, friends.